Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix camera failed issue on the Oppo A5x. Now to fix this issue, first of all, just restart your smartphone. To do that, just press and hold the power button on your smartphone to open the power menu. And if your power button is mapped to launch the digital assistant from Google instead of the power menu, just press the power button and the volume up button at the same time. And once you do that, the power menu will appear on the screen. Now just swipe up and select Restart. Now just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then just clear the data of the camera app. For that, just tap and hold on the camera app icon. Then select App Info. From here, just tap on Storage Usage and select Clear Data. Then tap on Delete. And once you do that, you will delete the data of the camera app. Now after that, just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. To fix this issue, just open Settings. Then tap on System and Update. From here, just tap on Software Update. Now just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your smartphone. But if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the camera of your smartphone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix the camera failed issue on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.